Hello, hello crafters, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by with a video for my Shop My Stash series. Last time I did Shop My Stash, I did cows. This time I did some fun piggies. I was amazed that I have so many pig stamps. This is not even the tip of the iceberg. But I thought I would move on to another theme. I haven't decided what yet. So I thought I'd stop by and share all of my cute little piggy cards with you that I've created for Shop My Stash. Let me move these aside and we'll get started. First up, I have this cute little card. Uses the Stampin' Up! This little piggy birthday stamp set. And this is a background stamp. I don't know if you remember, but I had talked about I had wanted to use my background stamps. I was not inspired, but I did get one of them done. So that turned out really cute. And there's the inside. I just love, I didn't realize how much I love pigs until I started looking through my stash. Next up, I have a slimline. This image is from Krista Smith. I got it when it was Saturated Canary, but she does have an Etsy shop now and also a Patreon site. And I have fallen back in love with her images. So this one was really fun to use. It's Augie the Piglet. And it just says hello. And I just kept it kind of simple on the inside. This is some old paper from my stash, so I really shopped my stash for that. Forgot to say that all the products that are still available are linked below, also all of the corresponding blog posts in case you want more information. Next up, I have this cute piggy from Sweet and Sassy Stamps from the Lots of Love stamp set. I just think he is so cute. I'm loving my Gina Marie Designs wonky stitched circles and rectangles. I have the ovals. Made this into a birthday card. And there's the inside. Next up, I have this floppy hatted pig from Whimsy Stamps. It is no longer available. It was a digital stamp. I'm sure it was a rubber at one time, but I couldn't find it on their site. But it was super cute. I ran out of pink Copic marker coloring it up, so I had to order some refills for my pinks. I noticed I got it on there crooked, but it's a handmade card, so we're going with it. And I just love how cheery that turned out. It just makes me smile. Such a cute little piggy. Well, not little, big piggy. And then I ended with this fun one from My Favorite Things. It's a retired stamp as well. Piggy Pebbles with that cute little flower. I'm rooting for you. And then there's the inside. I did use a sketch from My Favorite Things for that one. And it's not something I would typically do, but I really liked how it turned out. I might have to revisit that sketch. So there are my cards for my Shopping My Stash series for the pigs. Like I said, I'm going to start another one. And I don't know what it is yet, but I know I will have fun because it is definitely fun to shop my stash. I am laughing because here we are heading into October and I'm just now getting to the spend less part of my New Year's resolutions. Have been creating more, but the whole spending thing, yeah. But I'm working on it and that's something, right? All right. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love a thumbs up and for you to ring that bell for notifications. And until my next video, have a super crafty day. Bye.